YMC PilotPLUS is a new standard for your pilot scale applications. It is completely biocompatible.
YMC PilotPLUS is characterized by safe and easy handling. Packing, operating and unpacking the column are smooth procedures due to a number of significant innovative advantages. The unique sealing principle provides permanent sealing and an extremely low dead volume. The drain function makes piston insertion fast and clean.
YMC PilotPLUS is characterized by safe and easy handling. This makes unpacking and cleaning a safe and simple procedure.
The YMC PilotPLUS uses a new and unique principle combining sealing and frit fixation.
This newly developed gasket seals permanently. With this sealing principle, the dead volume is reduced to the absolute minimum. The gasket easily slides along the glass wall when adjusting the bed height. As the gasket also holds a frit, flow distribution is optimized to provide the best possible results.
With the YMC PilotPLUS, insertion of the piston is fast and clean due to the unique drain function. Piston insertion is one of the most important steps during packing of the column. Starting with the piston at a slight angle, then moving it to the vertical position enables a fast, clean and easy piston insertion.
No air bubbles remain trapped under the seal.
The unique drain function ensures that excessive solvents can flow into a reservoir in a controlled and clean way.
A notch ensures the correct alignment for the piston fixing screws. Hand tightening is sufficient. No tools are required. Now, the piston can easily be moved using the hand wheel adjusters. The height adjustable piston allows for a wide range of bed heights. The column body is attached to the stand using 3 locking bolts. By loosening them, the column body can easily be removed from the stand. Use the handles to lift the column body. This way, transportation of the YMC PilotPLUS to a new location is facilitated. When reassembling the column body to the stand, the bolts automatically lock when the column body is in the right position. Emptying and cleaning the column body is easily performed. In addition, the column body can also be attached to the stand in the upside down position. This is most useful when unpacking the column. A pump can be connected to the unit to help with removal of the packing material. This makes unpacking a safe and simple procedure. The new YMC PilotPLUS Column series is your new standard for pilot scale applications. Easy handling makes packing, operating and unpacking the YMC PilotPLUS Column a smooth procedure.
The advantages: the innovative, unique and permanent sealing principle,
an extremely low dead volume,
fast and clean piston insertion,
safe and easy handling. YMC PilotPLUS, the new standard for pilot columns.